On Sunday at 8 a.m., this place, Kensington Oval, will be transformed into a hive of ceremonial activity as we celebrate this year's independence. We're celebrating 59 years as an independent nation and 4 years as a republic during the ceremonial parade here at the Oval. And what's extra special about this Sunday is that it will see the installation of our second president, Lieutenant Colonel, the Most Honorable Jeffrey Bostic. It will be an historic ceremony at the Mecca to mark this significant transfer of office, and many high-ranking officials from overseas as well will be in attendance, including Prime Minister of Guyana, Brigadier Mark Phillips. Commander Derek Brathwaite will be directing the parade, comprised of close to 1,000 participants representing armed and unarmed units. Detached units will include the Barbados Defense Force, the Barbados Police Service, the Barbados Cadet Corps, the Barbados Fire Service, the Fire Cadets, the Barbados Youth Advance Corps. Some other participants are the Barbados Coast Guard, the St. John Ambulance Association of Barbados, the Barbados Landship Association, the Seventh-day Adventist Pathfinders, and the Barbados Legion. Leadership badges will be presented at the ceremony, along with a special performance by the police service in recognition of its 190th anniversary. These will be followed by an address by Prime Minister Mia Amor-Montley. Following the formal proceedings, the troops will march through the city, where members of cabinet will take the salute outside Parliament. According to Bajans, President Mason served her country with grace and excellence, and her service will be surely missed.
I felt very good about her. I think she brought a breath of fresh air to the climate of Barbados. And I love her whole demeanor, her mannerisms, and the dignified way that she carried out her duties.
I think that President Sandra Mason was very dignified in the office. She carried out her post with a very warm and embracing human spirit, particularly when she visited the centenarians. And even when she spoke to you, felt a warmth emanating from her. And I think she's a beautiful person.
I'm actually a huge fan of the Governor General / President, Sandra Mason, who I happened to cater for when she was installed as Governor General 8 years ago. Love to see her, love to see her passion, love to see the way she dresses, love to see the way she carries herself. It's going to be sad not to see her in office anymore.
They also believe that Lieutenant Colonel, the Most Honorable Jeffrey Bostic, will be just as professional in his new role.
I think his no-nonsense approach in terms of where Parliament is concerned and signing bills and dealing with different issues will be strong, will be different, and I wish him all the best.
I look forward to Mr. Bostic as the interim president to see what he has to offer, being that he would have done such a fantastic job in the country back in 2000 during COVID. I look forward to him being the head of state for the next 4 years to come.